It's important to perform routine preventative maintenance so you can get the most out of your high-pressure spray machine. In addition to the procedures advised by your equipment representative, keep these points in mind to prevent unplanned downtime. Check the life of the desiccant cartridges on the ISO totes to prevent excess moisture from entering the headspace in the totes. Follow the recommended replacement frequency from the desiccant provider. The ISO lubrication reservoir should be monitored to ensure material hasn't contaminated the reservoir and caused the lubricant to solidify over time. The lubricant should be free-flowing so it can prevent any parts of the machine from jamming up. ISO side filter screen should be cleaned weekly to remove any crystals that may have formed throughout operation. Polyol side filters should also be checked, but crystal formation is less likely with polyols. In general, keep the pump and chemical areas clean and free from clutter to reduce the likelihood for any accidents. A reminder on safe handling and proper PPE. Be sure to avoid contact with unreacted chemicals and avoid allowing the polyol and especially the isocyanate to come into contact with your skin or your eyes. Should this happen, refer to the MSDS for proper first aid and hygiene instructions. The person applying the VORAMER adhesives should wear safety goggles and a full face shield. Persons working near where the product is being applied should wear safety glasses with side shields. Wear gloves when handling the unreacted chemicals or when applying the mixed materials. Nitrile or polybutadiene gloves are recommended as they provide resistance to the isocyanate and are also tear resistant. Wear proper protective clothing over the arms and any exposed skin that may come into contact with the materials. Paper suits are acceptable protection as long as they are discarded after being stained with unreacted chemical. Apply the materials in a well-ventilated area. If the possibility of respiratory exposure exists, wear a half-mask respirator with NIOSH-approved cartridges for organic chemicals. If ventilation is poor in the area where the material is being applied, a full-face positive pressure respirator is required.